Hello dear friends, welcome. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how we prepare a cow hoof or Mulokonyi as locally known in an African village in Uganda. Sit down, relax and enjoy the video. Thank you. Kindly watch the video till the end to support the growth of my channel and to give me strength to keep coming back. Thank you. So we start by burning off the fur. The cow hoof normally has fur, so we burn it off, and then we also burn the hooves, and then we go ahead and clean it as you're going to see in the video.
Hey, I wish you could see yourself just sitting there on my chair. I'm staring at you, you don't even notice. Should've told you straight up.
After burning the fur, I have to use the knife to scrape off the burnt fur.
Away. You don't have to be afraid anymore.
As I was doing the scraping, I realized that the fur wasn't thoroughly burnt, so I took it back to the fire. At this stage, the fur has already burnt and we are scraping it off using a knife. And then we've already pulled out the hooves, as you can see.
I know you haven't noticed. You know that I won't let you go. Put your arms around me and I'll let you know how it feels when time goes slow. And I won't let it rush when I see you dance in the moment.
The next step is to wash the hoof thoroughly well.
Comes when I fall and time goes slow. I fall into you. I fall into you. Hey, I wish I could show you more, 'cause baby you deserve some.
While washing, the other part of the hoof that didn't have fur is also placed on fire to get smoked. When our Mulokonyi has gone through all the burning and smoking, it is ready to be cut into pieces, starting with the hard part, which is the lower part of the cow leg or the cow hoof.
But still you're here and that's what I adore. Should've told you straight away everything I have to say, but I'm afraid and I know you haven't noticed. You know that I won't let you go. Put your arms around me and I'll let you know how it feels when time goes slow.
Once all our meat is cut, we place it on fire, starting with the hard part, because if we add in the soft part as well, it will get cooked before the hard one and it's going to be mushy. So we first cook the hard part, and when it's halfway done, we add in the softer part and then continue cooking. Salt is added, followed by water. I also add some garlic, ginger and onion paste.
Gonna stay in this moment. Gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely. I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no.
I leave it to simmer and slow cook and keep on checking on it from time to time as I turn it over, and then when it's halfway done, I add in the softer part and finish off the cooking.
'Cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming
Once my cow hoof is ready and I'm sure that's the amount of soup I want, I go ahead and add my vegetables and spices. For the vegetables, I have shallots, tomatoes, and green bell peppers, which I minced together, and then some Irish potatoes. For the spices, I use turmeric, black pepper, and beef seasoning, which I mix together with the minced vegetables and add in the soup.
There I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold, no matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why, I'm always feeling homesick.
After adding my vegetable mince and spice mix, I go ahead and add my Irish potatoes and finish off the cooking.
All I know, all I know, all I know is this is where my heart is. Oh, I have seen many places where the beauty never ends. Different cities, friendly faces.
At this point, my meal is ready and it smells so good and tastes so delicious as it looks. Cow hoof, aka Mulokonyi, aka Echigele, has a lot of health benefits, which includes being loaded with collagen, which has skin, hair, bone, joint, and nail health benefits. Let's discuss them in the comment section. Thank you. Do you eat this where you come from? Have you ever seen it anywhere? We call it Mulokonyi where I come from. How do you call it where you come from? Comment down below and tell me. If you've watched up to this point, thank you. And if you're my returning subscriber or viewer, I really appreciate you. You're the reason I keep coming back. Kindly leave me a comment and tell me what you think or ask me what you would like to know, and don't forget to share. Thank you. If you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell because a lot of content will be coming up on this channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching. May God bless you. We meet in the next one.
You're gone now, will you call me back? Yeah, I know that, yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the